always have a memory verse in our assemblies. Jesus said the most important thing his friends should do is to love God. So if love is shown by what we do, what sort of things do Christians do to show that they love God? Can anyone tell me? Hand over there. You? The boy there? Yes?
They pray to God.
Okay, yes, they pray to God. And the boy in front of you, had his hand up? Have you? You don't remember? Right, hand over there.
They celebrate God.
They celebrate God, yes.
They celebrate Him in different festivals.
That's right, different festivals like Easter and Christmas, yes.
They believe in Him.
They believe in Him. Right, all really good answers.
Well done. Well, Jesus said that as well as loving God, we must love one another. So we've got part of the memory verse. We'll go on to that in a moment.
So,
Right, I'm going to read it. We'll read it. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
Love God and love your neighbour as you love yourself.
brilliant. So if we're to love our neighbour as we love ourselves, then who is our neighbour? Anyone? Oh yeah.
The person that lives next to us.
The person that lives next door, yes, that's one answer. Yes?
The person who is nice to us.
The person who is nice to you, that's another good answer. Right, next door to you perhaps.
Family.
Your family, yes. And the bigger answer we're looking for.
Friends.
Friends, yes. Neighbours, who is our neighbour?
People that live next door.
Okay, go at the back.
Someone who sits next to you, maybe.
Right, okay. It begins with an E, this word we're looking for. So who is our neighbour?
Everyone.
Everyone is our neighbour.
Well
Round of applause for that young lady.
That was the word we were looking for. So, how do you think we can show our love to our neighbour? How do you think we can show our love to everyone? Yes.
Be kind to them, rather than everyone.
Be kind to them
Help them.
and help them. Yeah, that's one answer. Yeah.
Go around their house and play with them.
Yeah, that's lovely to go around their house and play with them, especially if they're lonely. Yes. Sorry. That's lovely. If they hurt themselves, you can help look after them, can't you? What a good answer. They've all been good answers. Don't be rude to them. And that's everyone. Don't be rude to anybody. Oh, that must be hard sometimes. Pardon? Be friendly.
Be friendly.
Yeah, lovely. Last answer.
Share things.
Share things. Yes, it's not always easy to show your love to everyone, but we've got to try hard, didn't we?
So really, it's like being a friend, isn't it? To be friendly to our neighbours and to help them when they need our help.
It is. Okay, so now we're going to get on to the memory verse, and we're going to learn some signs to help us remember the verse. Okay, so the first sign we're going to do is the sign for love. Can anybody remember the sign for love? What we do here, we go like this. This is the sign we use, love. And remember that we say the word as we sign, so love. Excellent. The next sign we're going to do is God. God. So we've got love. And we've got God. Excellent. Now, the next sign we're going to do is neighbour. Now, because we're talking about everyone, we're going to do the sign for everyone. So we'll start with ourselves and go right round the hall, including everyone. So, neighbour. Excellent. And then love again. Love. And for yourself, you point to you. Yourself. Okay, so we'll try that all together. I'm sure you're going to be excellent at it. After 3. 1, 2, 3.